welcome back. It's Shelby and today we are doing a fun Halloween project. So basically we're making like a cute little witch's cauldron candy dish just to not so much to give out to kids because it's only gonna hold like a little handful of candy. More just like a decoration like for the countertop or something, just like a little grab thing like you would like a little bowl full of M&Ms or something like that. But it's kind of cool because we're making it totally from scratch. So I have this lovely bottle of formerly soda that I have drank. I have some black paint, spray paint, a paper towel because I rinsed it out but it's not dry yet, a thing of scissors, a sparker, whoops, and that is all you will need. But yeah, basically we're just going to be making a cute little Halloween craft today, and let me know if you like it by hitting that thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and let's get going. So this is a pretty easy craft to do around the holidays. You might want to open up your soda bottle because cutting into it with the lid off is difficult. Basically, you're just looking for a soda bottle with, I mean, they all basically have this bottom, but like that little curve, like here to here, kind of looks like a witch's cauldron if you're just doing that straight down. So cut above the line. I'm just going to cut here so that I have plenty of room. Don't cut yourself. There we go. Just get a little cut in there, and cut doesn't need to be perfect. You've got two of them right here, and then basically just cut it down perpendicular until about where you want it. At this point you can dry it out or dry it out later. I'm just going to do it now because it's going to start dripping. There we go. Perfect. So I'm going to go for about there and just kind of cut all the way around. At this point, try to make your cut nice. Like, try to make it a nice cut all the way around because you don't want like super rough edges. We are going to take care of the rough edges, but it's just easier if they're not like crazy all over the place, uneven mismatch. There we go. So I just cut myself a little, can you see that? Not at all. There we go, like a little square. And I'm going to use that as a channel to get my scissors in there and just cut all the way around as even as I can make it. My first cut was way even, but down here where the bottle is kind of slanted and goes in and out and has different like wavy things on it, it's actually a lot more difficult to cut it nicely. So there we go. That is about right. It's clear, so it's really hard to see, but that is basically our witch's cauldron. At this point, I'm going to take my sparker and just kind of make the edges nice. Again, it's like impossible to see. There we go. Let's try that. That might help. Not at all, does it? But basically, like, I have these little wispy things from where I cut it, and I want those gone. So you can kind of see a little bit. I want those gone, so I'm just taking care of those with the sparker. It's cheap plastic. It melts super easily, so just kind of run your flame over the top of it, just like that. You don't really need to burn into it. You can see where I had cut down originally, the plastic's separating a little bit, so I'll need to go over that again. But it melts down really, really easily, so like make sure you don't hold the flame on there too long. And what this is going to do is get rid of that really sharp edge and get rid of any of the uneven edges, and it kind of rounds it out a little bit too, which is nice. You might have noticed that the bottle curves in a lot. The heat is kind of rounding it out a little bit, which is kind of perfect. So just kind of apply your heat until it's exactly what you want it to look like, or pretty close. That's basically what you want to end up with, like just a tiny little cauldron. So this is perfect. I'm going to hit it with the paper towel again, make sure that it's completely dry inside, and then we're going to take it outside and spray paint it black. So I have my paint station set up, basically just a brown paper bag held down by bricks. I am putting my, oh, you can see it in this light, so you can see the edges kind of melted down. I'm putting it upside down. Normally I spray both sides of my projects, but I don't know. I think I'm just going to spray the outside and leave the inside relatively non-toxic with no paint on it. But yeah, here is the paint that I'm using, and we're just going to spray it black. That's it. We'll let it wait, we'll let it dry, and we'll have our cauldron to stuff full of candy. Alright, our cauldron is dry. Check this out. Now that it's black, you can actually see what I mean about the shape. Like, it looks like a little witch's cauldron. It's so cute. I mean, yeah, you've got like the little bumps on the outside that say like, you know, what the name of the soda is or whatever, but the shape is basically perfect. So I did find this Christmas tinsel. I wasn't gonna put anything in there, but like, I love this. It's gold shimmer and it's awesome, and I have a giant bag left over, so that is getting popped right into the top, because if it's gonna be a witch's cauldron, why not have something brewing? Kind of let it peek out the sides there a little bit if you want, maybe not quite so much. And then I have suckers, so I'm just going to be popping some suckers in there. You can do whatever kind of candy you want. Since you didn't paint the inside of the plastic, even if you want to do like candy corn or M&Ms or something, I think that would probably be fine because there's no paint on the inside, but you know, maybe stick to wrapped candy. Whatever you want to do, you do you. But we're gonna arrange those and make it super cute, and check that out. That is adorable. Just like a little decoration for the counter, add to the Halloween decor, and like a little something you can grab some candy out of. So super cute, super easy craft. Hopefully you guys like it. If you did, let me know down in the comments. Let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see my channel here again. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.